viewers, my name is Tochukwu, front desk assistant at Hookninjas Limited, Africa's largest tech giant. We are here for site inspection at this massive hotel. We are here to inspect our wireless internet system, AI sound system, fire alarm system, and energy saver switch with DND and crane function here at this massive hotel. So come with me, let me show you how our experts are working at the moment. Let's go to the rooms so I can show you some of our experts here working and installing the cables.
The one is 0.7 mm.
Okay.
For AI sound.
For AI sound. Okay.
From this room. Then this is Cat 6.
Okay.
Yes, Cat 6 cable, pure copper. Then we are using this one for TV sound.
For TV sound?
Yes.
Okay.
Smoke detector.
This one right here. Okay, smoke detector.
Smoke detector. Yes, cable. You understand?
Okay.
After all this run of wire, we can now come for the installation.
Okay.
Our intercom.
Okay, intercom cable. Okay.
After everything, come for installation. See it here.
Okay.
Telephone, intercom. This cable.
Okay. In the WC.
Yes, as well. In case of any emergency, you can
make a call.
Yes.
We show.
This is for the bell.
Okay.
Yeah, if you blow the alarm, then this one is for internet access code.
Okay. Alright.
For internet easy access. So this one is this for the TV.
Okay. Why are you holding for the TV?
For the TV.
Okay.
Speaker.
Okay.
Yes, for the speaker. For the TV.
Okay.
This is that thing. Okay. We use something for this room. Okay. And after we come for the installation, after this placement, we will prepare. So here, in this part, this is our 0.5 mm cable.
Okay.
Legs.
Okay.
For bell.
For the bell. Okay.
Yes. Then this cable is for outdoor energy saver.
Okay.
So this outdoor energy saver will be showing the room number.
Okay.
Operating for the bell.
Okay.
And the DND.
Like do not disturb.
Yes. And
okay.
And the crane, whatever.
Crane functions.
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the indoor energy saver.
Okay. This one.
Yes. This is indoor energy saver. Cable for indoor energy saver. We will install it when the time comes. Then this indoor energy saver will be using cards. We will code it with the card.
Okay.
So the card, when you slot the card, the light will show for this room.
Alright.
Now, DND. Okay. This is the bell.
This cable here is the bell. Okay.
That is the cable for the bell.
The bell, okay.
So you can see the thing pass through here.
Okay.
And go up.
Okay.
So this is the cable for the DND.
Okay.
This is where to install.
Okay.
You want to install
Crane functions. And the panel.
Yes, that is it for this room. And then, as it is here, this room, go now.
Alright. As you can see, what we just showed you right now is being cabled in all the rooms in this massive hotel. So this is Hookninjas. Thank you very much and stay tuned as we go to the next stage.